Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to register for the online home assistant, Mathxl. So first of all, you want to log on to the Blackboard and also click on the syllabus. So once you open the syllabus, you're going to see the course ID. So you're going to copy the course ID from the syllabus. So scroll down a little bit. So you go down and see the mandatory course material. You're going to see the course ID. So you're going to copy the course ID. Click on copy. And also click on www.mathxl.com. So it will take you to our home website. So, or you can just type in on the web browser www.mathxl.com. And right here, we're going to register for the online access. So you click on under the register now, you're going to see for the student registration starts right here. Click on student. And also, you're going to register for the course required by your instructor. So you're going to click on that. Now, under the first of all, you want to find the course. So in order to find the course, you copy and paste the course ID here. So let's paste it here. And then click on continue to register. And it takes you to the next. So you already have a account with the Pearson company. You can use the username password. But if you do not have an account and you're new to the Pearson company, so then you click on create account. So now here, put in your personal email or school email, whichever you use. Right? So I'm just going to put in one of them. And you need to confirm. Okay, so create anyway. Okay. Copy paste as well. And you can create a username. Right? So you just create a username. It's not the same as. Okay, and then put in a password. Create a password. And you can put in your first name and last name, the country. All right. Select a row, and you're going to select a row as a student. And you're typing the month and the year of the birth. So let's say I'm just create that. Okay. And you need to put dash in between month and year of the birth. And click on agree to the terms and use of knowledge and acknowledge privacy policy. Also, you can uncheck this if you don't want to receive email from them about the other products. Then after that, click on create account. Then you're going to have a Pearson account that you create. Create account. So give it minute and then your account will be created. Right? So, yeah. Account created and click on continue. And you're gonna if you want to put in your mobile phone just to sometimes retrieve your password. If you forget your password, they will text you a code and then you can reset it. So you want to put in your phone number, you can do that, but you can also skip it. I'm gonna skip that. And then it will guide you to this next page. So you need to purchase a 6-month student access to Mathxl. You only need to purchase 6-month one. Cost the least amount of money. So it's costing $64.09. So you click on that. And it will guide you to the payment information, billing information. And then just once you purchase access, you're going to have access to our home system. And once you have access to the homework system, I'm sure you what it looks like in account. Right? So again, go to mathxl.com and then sign in. And once you sign in, you're gonna have access to all the homework assignments and then quizzes as well as the midterm and finals. So if you click on it, every single one has a due date. Due date is in front of each assignment. Also, quizzes also have a due date. By the way, you have infinitely many trials on all the homework assignments. That means the high score will be counted towards the final course grade. And for all the quizzes, you have 3 trials, and also the high score will be counted towards each quiz. For midterm and final, you have 2 trials, and the higher score will be counted. Right? And you can also use the midterm review and the final review to study for the actual midterm and final. They are pretty useful, but midterm and final review are not counted towards the final course grade. Right? And basically, that's what our homework system look like.